Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can unblock downloads in the Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume you have a file here on Google Chrome you would like to download, but unfortunately Chrome is not allowing you to download it. There's a simple trick you may apply here to make that happen and to unlock these downloads either temporarily or permanently, depending on your decision. So guys, what you will need to do is head back to your home screen here on Google Chrome and click on these three dots in the top right to select settings from that drop-down menu. And inside your browser settings, head over to privacy and security here on the left panel. And here to the right under privacy and security, select security. And that is going to take you to that option here, safe browsing. So guys, on default, it should be on enhanced protection, which is also the recommended option. So what you will need to do if you'd like to unblock downloads, for example, of files you are 100% sure are safe, and unblock these, for example, is switch from enhanced protection to no protection, which is, as previously mentioned and emphasized, definitely not recommended. So it's your call, guys, and that should do it, guys. As you can see, after that, Chrome will ask you to confirm that if you really would like to turn off safe browsing. So if you want to do that, click on that button, or let me click on cancel because I would like to keep the enhanced protection. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you unblock downloads on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and see you next time.